Hello, Star Wars fan collectors. Okay, for today's reviews, we have the McDonald's Star Wars. I think this is a gunship or something. Star Wars McDonald's Happy Meal, blah blah blah. I don't know what this is, but a toy. And the instructions. You don't need the instructions. Instructions are stupid. Die. Only if you have odd stuff. And instructions. Yeah, it's got wheels. And it also comes with this key. It's got two sides. The toy. And then it's back. So what you want to do is you gotta get the key. You see this, you just push it, and you see if you see this. It's like that. Yeah. This is toy 1. I might get toy number 2, toy number 3, toy number... Check out the Mega Mics. And check out my shout out video. On my camera, she looks like a... See you later. And you could get these toys.